One of the reasons we started using Shormann math is we were using Saxon math in classical conversations.
Mm-hmm.
And my children were doing some better than others in the spiral approach. And we found Shormann math with the videos was very helpful for my children. And he also brings in um, more applicable math as well. He'll throw in some chemistry problems or some physics problems. He'll introduce calculus at the Algebra 1 level and just start talking and using the grammar, using the words, so that by the time the students get to the pre-calculus or the calculus, the word calculus is not so scary.
Right. Yeah.
And so we've really enjoyed that approach to the different levels of math. And he even brings in some linear algebra as well. It doesn't make it seems more integrated. It doesn't seem so cut and dried in that aspect. But I
Right.
did find that my children still needed to have conversations with the math, which is where we bring in the math as a language. And Dr. Shormann also sees math as a language. And so I see my courses as the didactic or the instructional portion using the Shormann videos, and then we have conversations about
Mm-hmm.
math, much like learning a language, a foreign language, where you would study the grammar, you would practice the sentence structure, and then you would meet with somebody live once a
Right.
week and have a conversation in that language. You don't want to learn a foreign language where you're only doing the bookwork, where you're only doing worksheets. You
That's
want to have
absolutely right.
conversations as well, and that's where I come in. That's
Mm-hmm.
my role, is to help have conversations with the students so that when they're learning about a tangent line, I can say, okay, well, what do you mean by that? Oh, I don't know, I just wrote this down. Well, what is the definition of it? And then they can recite the definition, but they still don't necessarily know what they're talking about.